Assalamualaikum and good day to the moderator and friends. My name is Muhammad Thariq bin Abdul Razak and I'm from the Politeknik Mukah, Sarawak, Malaysia. Today, I will present my research paper with the title of the Asia Pacific Accreditation and the Certification Commission File Management System APACCFMS. So for today's presentation, I divided into 6 parts, which is the first one is the introduction, second is the literature review, third is the methodology, fourth is the system design and the development, and fifth is the implementation and testing, and last but not least is the discussion and conclusion. For the introduction, file management within the organization is important in order to ensure the file is organized and easy to find and secure. Asia Pacific Accreditation and Certification Commission (APACCEMS) is one of the organizations introduced by the CPSC with the aim to establish a regional body for the accreditation and certification of the technical and vocational education training institution (TVET). Therefore, if the institution want to apply the certificate, the institution required to prepare all the related documents to be validated by the APACCEMS validator. Therefore, in this study, APACCFMS is designed and developed with the aim to ensure the file management within the organization is organized and easy to find. Next, I will explain about the literature review. In this study, previous study related to the file management is selected and studied. As you can see from here, a previous study by Chen et al. In 2020 has been proposed a scalable file management protocol for the high-speed storage system. The authors combine high bandwidth with the flexible expansion of the storage capacity. Other than that, Sri Dawa et al. Proposed a online course file management system (APACCEMS) specifically for the educational institution. With this system, the staff able to prepare and organize their file digitally and able to enhance the process and reduce the paper usage. And last but not least, Young et al. Proposed a cloud file management service system based on the LAN. The author claimed that the system able to solve the problem related to the traditional file transfer and file storage. In this study, agile methodology is implemented during this study and consists 6 phases. For example, in the plan phase, a proper method is implemented to acquire information about the existing file management system. Then, in the design phase, the purpose system is designed according to the requirement conducted at the plan phase. Next, in the develop phase, the system developer will design the source code according to the design acquired from the previous phase. Various software and tools are used to design and compile the source code developed. Then we move to the test phase. We see in this phase, the developed system will undergo a test phase to ensure the code meets the requirement specification and identify the possible bugs and errors. After that, the system will undergo the release phase, which in this phase, the system will be uploaded to the targeted server so that the user can use and test the system in the real environment. Then we move to the feedback phase, which is in this phase, the system will undergo a feedback phase to identify the areas for improvement for the future works. Next, I will explain the system architecture of APACCFMS. APACCFMS can be used by the two main users, which is the first one is the normal user and secondly is the administrator. The normal user can add, delete and update and view and download the specific file if required. For the administrator can add, update and view staff information according to the requirement. Next, this is example of the APACCFMS use case, system design use case. Both user, which is a normal user and administrator, can perform a various function such as a login, register new user, delete user, update, upload and view files. Next, I will explain about the database design model. Each table, for example, a criterion table, criterion data table and user table, store a specific data. The table are linked together using a specific primary and the foreign key. Next, I will explain about the implementation and testing. As we can see from here, this is the APACCFMS graphical user interface to allow user to add new data and upload the deleted files. It should be noted that only a PDF file with the size is less than 5 MB are allowed to submit. If the user upload other than PDF file and this file is more than 5 MB size, then the system will display a proper message and ask user to upload the correct file with the size as we mentioned. This is example of the interface to allow user to generate a PDF report page. So the user are allowed to generate report file in the PDF if necessary for the specific purpose. To ensure all the APACCFMS function is functioning well and no logic error occurs, then unit testing is implemented. This is a sum of the unit testing for the APACCFMS. This one is example of the module that has been implemented to the APACCFMS system. For example, the user login and user upload file. Therefore, in this study, APACCFMS has been designed, developed and tested successfully. Unit testing is implemented to ensure all the system function is functioning well and no logic error occurs. With the APACCFMS, it will help user to manage their file digitally and easy to find. User able to access the APACCFMS anywhere, anytime and everywhere with the internet connection. So that's all for me and thank you.